Hi, good morning. Today we are going to speak about World Ventures. It's an amazing company that is a travel company that had like DreamTrips Gold and DreamTrips Platinum for all the person that like to travel all over the world. And the person that want to save money when they are traveling, and for everybody in all over the world is that amazing company that you can be inside of that company as an independent representative or as a member of the Dream Trips that they are offering. For example, these Dream Trips going to give for us an amazing discount for the Christmas season. The price now is $99 and the regular price for the Gold member, Dream Trip Gold, is about, you have to pay about 200 and something, $230 for the membership and the monthly fee. And the Dream Trip Platinum is about $324. The same for the membership and the monthly fee. Then you're going to pay monthly $59 for the Gold and $99 for the Platinum membership. But this company have an amazing plan. For example, they have the Robia points that you're going to use for your next dream trip. When you are spending some money in one restaurant, when you pay the bills, you're going to take a picture for the bill, and you're going to make the scanning with your phone, and you're going to receive the amount that you spend in that place. You're going to receive it back in points, and that point you're going to use it for the next dream trip. This is the amazing thing of that company. I had one bonus plan that all the money that you spend in different places you're going to receive back for your next trip. So you're going to enjoy your life, you're going to spend some money with your family, and they are going to give you back all that money in points that you're going to use for your next trip with your family. And this is amazing. I had amazing places. It has one reception for all the members when you arrive. For example, if you're going to Punta Cana with your family, when you arrive, they're going to make a reception for all of the person that coming to that trip. And this reception, you're going to share some wine, some foods, some music, everything on that place. And then they are going to give you one small handbag with different stuff that they prepare for all the members when I ride to different places. And you're going to eat a lot of organic food. You're going to make some yoga exercise. You're going to receive different dancing classes. You're going to make some exercise. You're going to share with the different places in that hotel, in that country that you've been traveling. And you're going to give all that benefit for your family, for your friends that coming inside of the Dream Trips. And that's it, the small advice that I would like to give to you. And take this amazing opportunity to travel all the world, to save money, to enjoy with your family in happy times, and to save some money, to use your 6 points and use this point back for your next trip. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello everybody, it's Wayne Nugent, your founder, your chief visionary officer, talking to you from Plano, Texas, our world headquarters. I'm talking to people right now all over the world, almost in 40 countries, saying happy birthday to World Ventures, number 13. Woohoo! You know, the dream has become a reality, and it's really because of you all, you know, catching that common vision and us coming together and moving the mountains around the world. So we've got incredible additions to our corporate leadership team here in the office and in other offices around the world to lead all of Asia Pacific, Europe, the Americas. We're expanding into Central and South America now, so your opportunity's never been bigger or brighter than ever before. We've been expanding into more and more countries. We're in almost 40 countries around the world right now. And so it really is exciting. The product is better than ever because of the leadership. The comp plan is better than ever. The systems and processes to run a company into the